to the shop. Scott Pendle's Home Shop. I am Scott, and over there reading a book, which you probably can only see her feet, is
Kira.
There you go. Today, we are going to put the dining lift system onto the table here. Right now, we're getting suited up, getting ready. We got to cut the legs off, and that's what I'm doing right now. Getting the plasma cutter set up so we can plasma cut it. Right here. Ladies and gentlemen, that is not how to do it. I thought for sure it'd stand up. Then again, I also thought with the vise hanging on it, it would turn over, and it did. And I'm an idiot. Oh, we fell on my chair. Yeah, we better hope we didn't mess up the stupid thing that we're here to mount.
Hey, why did I hear any noise? Why didn't I hear any screaming?
But it happened slow and I knew it was going to happen.
Why'd you do it? Not, no.
Alright, well see if you can get that stuff out from under there. The table, the eagle oiler. Go ahead and pick all that stuff up and we'll measure down now. Now we got it on its side. You got to take measure in your toolbox, right?
Do.
Oh.
I believe it's gonna be the third, fourth.
If it's not in there, go to the bed.
Yes, sir.
He said, don't listen, kids. Don't do it. My father just did. Where's my all? There it is.
All?
Here. All.
Oh.
Can't write in all that grease. While you're doing that, I'll go ahead and mark off the other ones.
Alright, done.
What? What?
Alright, I got it well.
Oh. This is supposed to have been a real quick, bolt these legs on. But it turned into a, oh my God, what am I doing? Hold it over here on the table. Tabletop. cutter just quit. Bring it back when I got it fixed. We're back, and hopefully we got it fixed there. We're going to have to replace the consumables. But for those that are wondering what a plasma cutter is, I'm sure a lot of people know, but I'm also sure a lot of people don't know. A plasma cutter is defined by Google. Plasma cutters work by sending an electric arc through a gas that is passed through a constricted opening, i.e. this. This air could be nitrogen, argon, oxygen, etc. This elevates the temperature of the gas to the point that it enters a fourth state of matter. I'm assuming that fourth state of matter is plasma. And that's where my education ends on plasma cutters. Well, there we go. And courtesy of Google, there's your nice picture. Alrighty. Now let's see. Yes, Tara. Yes. I guess Tara didn't want to call me. I'm looking at this, and I don't see, well, that's eroded, but the tip, I'm done throwing on the floor. I think, well, you know what? I'm not even going to worry about it. They don't cost that much. Put a new one in it. Don't have to worry about it. This gun is touchy. It doesn't like anything out of the ordinary. It's not going to operate with less than stellar equipment. Oh man. Hey Tara, I need the air diffuser ring. The brown ring. Right here, baby. Right there. Alright. The prognosis is the plasma cutter gets to live at our house for another day.
Oh, yeah.
Uh-oh. Alright, what I need you to do is, were you calling me on the computer? On the phone?
Yes, sir.
When somebody answers, you have to say hello.
I said hello. I started talking. I was talking. I was saying, I thought you said you didn't bring phone lines. I thought you said you didn't bring it out here.
Never heard any of that. All I seen was the screen and the counter.
Cool.
Alright, what I need you to do is stand over here and watch these lights and tell me what happens.
Okay.
I ain't got much to cut, so I'm sure it'll cut that little bit, but I don't expect it to last a whole bunch longer. I bought it to cut up a bunch of steel to make my smoker out of, and that was, so I've had it about 5 or 6 years.
Daddy?
Yes, dear.
When we get the money, I want to buy those, whenever you put on the smoker last time, for Thanksgiving, wood. You make some good food on that thing.
Alright. Well, you know what we should have done before we cut the legs off? We should have took it out, moved the lawnmowers, took it out there across the yard to the pressure washer, and pressure washed all the grease off of it.
Why do you do that? Now we can't roll it out there.
That's all right. I'm gonna weld with the stick welder. I can burn through all that.
Oh, you're gonna use stick welder again.
Yeah. So these legs are not. I don't know what we're going to do for level because the table is not square, top to bottom, left, right, front, or back. But I'm just sighting down here across this right here. Okay, and then I'm looking right here. And when I get over here, it's not parallel, but we'll see. How many tape measure? Right over there. Alright, so let's see here. Now this is nothing but, okay, 4 and 8. 3 and 3 3/4, but I've trimmed that one off a little bit. So that's fine. We'll grind them all down to the same. So we're going to have 2 bolts here, one here and one here, and then up the leg we'll have 2 bolts here, one here and one here. And the legs will be mounted on the outside. Yeah. Hey, Yeah. Alright, we got this leg mounted, and here is in the house, and so that's what kept me up. So tomorrow, I'll come in here and drill these 4 holes, mount this leg, bring the lines through, flip the table up on its end, and drill the other 2 legs. But I got to come up with something. I'm gonna come up with some way of protecting this. So I don't know. We'll see tomorrow what we come up with. So it's tonight. I'm tired. I'm going to lay down.
Hello, say hello. Hello. I just want to say thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and give us thumbs ups. Thumbs ups. And share our video, like our video, and all that cool stuff. And what we're going to do with the table is we're going to make these legs that will support the height of the little legs that my daddy made put on here. So we mounted everything up, the system and everything's mounted on the table and everything. Is it cool?
Yeah, it's cool.
So, share our video with everybody you know. Say thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.